Esto es una prueba en español.
Guten Tag.
Hola. Is anybody looking? Is anybody watching? Come here, you fat little bastard! Stop your whining! Nobody cries in the ice cream van! You are disgusting! I can't put you in my ice cream! You taste like shit! I know where you live. I know where you work. Oh, my plan is going perfectly. Soon there will be no one left.
I think here I had already cleaned before. Clean. This is dirty. Really dirty. Intruder in sight. A little human has escaped. Error. Out of my zone. Keep. Sound the alarm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is good here. No. This is messy. No. Keep.
What?
Get back here! Ow. Where's my screwdriver? Where is it? Stupid carburetor. Ow! Oh. I dropped that Phillips head. Where's it at? Oh, why is it so tight? Oh, I wonder if Tesla makes ice cream vans. This is ridiculous. Oh, stupid. Ugh. Oh, there it is. Not so bad. Oh, gotta change the oil. Gotta make sure the air pressure in the tires is good. I don't have time for this crap. I gotta make some ice cream. I'm an ice cream maker.
again. Here we go again. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! 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 This time I'm gonna get it. This time I'm gonna get it. Ooh, yes!
Oh, why do they always run away? Ooh! Oh, this place brings me back joyful memories. Now where are those fat little chubby bastards? Well, well, well. The mini rods are doing a spectacular job. Well done, mini rods. Mini rod, get after them. Come on, you. What do I pay you for? Oink, oink, oink. You're not gonna get that far, you little pig. Run. Run with those fat little legs. You're not going to get that far. Chubby kid, stop running away and go back to your cage.
Oh, how disgusting cold. What? Here again? What? Here again? Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, spectacular!
Jay, bring me these items. They don't have to be pretty. There we go. Perfect. Oh, a rebel padlock, huh? No problem. Well, I think this'll help you. Take it.
I don't remember it clearly. This pink dress is the only thing I have left from that previous life.
You are my beautiful baby. You are a beautiful girl, Elisa. Elisa.
I remember a lot of tall women dressed in black. A very large room and all in pink. Who is my mother? Is it her? That beautiful woman? Or is it something else? Some kind of monster with ugly teeth and a pale face?
Okay, I'm coming. Ouch! What's wrong?
Charlie, stop fooling around and follow Rod into town. I need you to get what he keeps in his safe in the parking lot. Let me think about it and see if I can come up with something. What a coincidence. Looks like Rod is going to town.
Jay? Is that you? How nice to hear from you. We need a key card to escape. Mike! Yes, I'm fine. Even though I've been hanging around here for 1,000 years. Shall we go now?
Liz? Can you hear me? Are you okay?
I don't know how, but Rod found me and followed me here. Well, that doesn't matter now. We have to stop Rod from getting in. By the way, how nice that we're all together at last.
Charlie, where were you? You should have come back as soon as you handed over the key card. I'm so glad you're both well.
Let's get out of here, Mike.
I don't want to say it in front of everyone. I don't want to say it in front of everyone, silly.
Push!
Liz, we're together at last. Listen, Liz, in case we don't get out of here, there's something I want you to know.
Oh, chubby kids! Get out of there now! Oh! Oh, chubby kids! Get out of there now! Oh, don't run away, chubby kid! Come back here! Right now! Hey, you! What are you doing here, huh?
I think it was the blue pipe here. No! Don't do that! It's dangerous! You're making too much noise! We're doing what we can, Mike. Calm down a little. Wow! Looks like the pipes have opened up again.
Well, I'd better do something soon.
We can't find Liz anywhere. Wait a minute. When we escaped from Rod, do you remember which pipe she went down? I don't want to calm down. I'm sick of looking at the screen and not seeing anything. All right, let's go. Jay, when I enter the pipe, keep pressing the button so that the lid stays closed. Please, keep an eye on it to make sure nothing happens. What do you mean you think she went that way? Tell me for sure. Right now, Liz could be dead or worse. No. Not there. Not there either. Give me that. I'm gonna go rescue your sister. Oh. Perfect. This is something else.
Jay, I'm here. Whew, I haven't eaten anything in ages. This is my lucky day.
Mike, it's your turn. Mike, it's your turn. Come on, we have to get out of here as soon as possible. Come on, we have to get out of here as soon as possible. Now you. Now you. Now you.
It's your turn, please. It's your turn, please. Liz, it's your turn, please. It's your turn, please. Liz, do you want to continue? Liz, do you want to continue? Whenever you want, Liz. Whenever you want, Liz.
We're going to make an invention today. We're gonna make something new. We're going to make an invention today. I'm not gonna make any stew! Oh, I do amuse myself. Da Vinci, Gaudi. Oh, I think I need to take the bus to Madrid. Well, I'm sure with this new invention I'm crafting, I'll be able to kidnap more fat kids at once! Oh, just to think of all the delicious ice cream I can make with so many fat, chump-puppy kids! Oh, maybe I'll make a new flavor. Barcelona flavor! Nobody ever listens to me, Well, I'm sure with this new invention I'm crafting, I'll be able to kidnap more fat kids at once. Oh, I'm like a Leonardo da Vinci of ice cream, the Antonio Gaudi of design. Oh. Yes, this works for me. Aha! Yes, this works for me perfectly. You'll do just fine. Now let's go find some chubby kids, huh? Let's see. Yes. Oh, I'll take this. Yes. Yes, I'll take this. This will work perfectly. Extraordinary. Ah, well, extraordinary. Where the heck will it be? No, not that one. Not that one. Nope. God, haven't seen that in years. It looks pretty good. Looks almost brand new. Nope. Well, it's just not here. I know it's in here. I put it in here just yesterday. Where the heck is it? Oh, where is it? Oh. I think the last time I was here, there was something useful. Now, where would it be? Keep thinking, Rod. Keep thinking. I think the last time I was here, there was something useful. Yes. Let's see. Oh. I wonder what I will do when there are no more tasty children. Oh, not a good thought at all, is it?
We're going to fix some equipment today. We're gonna get some chubby kids. I wonder, what will I do when there are no more tasty chubby children? Oh, just wondering. I'm feeling a little hungry. Maybe I should try some white chocolate chubby children. I've got my toolbox, I've got my wrench, I've got my favorite screwdriver. Oh, I wonder, what will I do when there are no more tasty children? Imagine that, a world without chumplubby ones. 'Cause they'll all be in my ice cream. My favorite flavor, white chocolate chumplubby mousse. Oh, those little bastards.
Liz, I finally found you. And Mike is with you. What a relief.
It seems that Rod has one stashed inside a safe box in his town's warehouse.
I think those cables should be fixed. The most delicious ingredient in the world. Energy levels have dropped a bit. I think I'm missing a bolt. Ha ha ha. I think it smells pretty good. Tasty. Yummy, yummy.
Wait a minute. Why am I doing this?
Of course we're gonna escape from here. We'll talk right now, but first, let's go to the boys. Oh, ooh, oh, oh, ooh, Great. I'm getting each time closer to leaving this place.